Okay, I'm recording this now. Okay, so Paige,
Perfect.
if I go to Reports and Analytics and Activity
Hmm.
History Report Builder, okay, first of all, it's driven by date range on when the activity or the history was actually completed. So if it was an email that you sent, it's when was the email sent. But right now, what we're focusing are what I call key events, which you can see in the left. It would call them key events, and that's like I have a
Right.
new opportunity, a bid submitted, job awarded, or in your vernacular, it's send to Spectrum for new job setup. And then we have a job completed in Spectrum, and then we have a lost sale. But I'm going to focus on bid submitted, jobs awarded, and lost sales right now. And let's just do it for um, February 1 to, how about today, March 7th. Okay, I'm going to refresh the report, clicking on the button down below. And now I'm going to build my report. What I want to see, how do you think he wants to see this? By person or um, division
By
or,
division.
okay,
Yeah, by division,
okay,
and
division.
then by
Okay, we got division,
assigned to,
then assign to. I love this.
and then the
You want to see
lead
what,
job name
well, you want to see what actually happened. You want to see the activity. Um, and then go ahead. What's next?
and the lead job name.
The actual job. Okay. Here it is. Thank you. Wow. Okay.
And the original contract amount.
That will probably go in the total. Actually,
And S.
no, let's put it here. Yes. Okay. And labor hours.
Yes, and then what would be nice is estimated start date.
Don't have it on this one.
Okay.
Although uh, no, I don't have it on this report. But we can add it. Now I'm looking at 796 activities for essentially the month of February and the first week of. We got a typo there. If I don't write that down, I will never remember to go fix it. Okay, so we're looking at bids submitted, bids awarded, and bids lost. And let's just go ahead and put, for fun, the count. Okay, it's going to be
The
amount.
customer.
Well, the count is how many of those happen. So for
Oh, okay.
MB Haynes Solar, Adam Green, bid submitted for this job only, well, he submitted one. But yeah, that makes sense. Now, yeah, that makes perfect sense. And then it totals them up. I don't think that makes any sense. Actually, it doesn't. Let's just get rid of that. It doesn't add any value to the report. Um, but what you might want to do, Paige, just since we're kind of pseudo training here, if you wanted to put the month completed on the top of the report. Oh shoot, I did this for March 2017. So wow, now we've got a lot of data here. Sorry, I did this for a year and a month. You could see month over month when our bids being submitted, when our jobs being awarded, and when are they lost. Hypothetically, you may want to see.
Right. Right.
You may want to see for an individual, Adam Green here, I want to see month over month for the last 12 months, how many bids did this guy submit? Okay. And then I want to see month over month, how many jobs did he get awarded? And then I want to see month over month, how many did he lose? And actually, I run a very similar report to this for my own company because I want to see for the entire year, how many bids did Eric, how many proposals did Eric send, which are essentially bids submitted. I want to see that. How many did we send? How many did we win? When did we win them? And I like to see a trend. I like to look across the months and see, because inevitably every year, July and August, and I don't see any for June here, are dry months. And then it'll pick back up in November and December and January. Those are our busy months. So,
right.
Anyways, I hope I'm.
No, I love it. And you know what? Well, and the interesting thing is in the Access database, they were also counting tick marks. So how many bids did we submit, and trying to pull out change orders and not counting those because those actually are a separate proposal. So what this report